It's been too late to redesign the Lexus GX, the brand's midsize SUV, and it's finally here for the 2024 model year. Riding on a brand new platform with an updated powertrain and a host of more modern features, the GX's rugged looks are the only thing that connects it to its outdated ancestor. The new model's boxy, Land Cruiser-inspired exterior looks like it will age well, a good thing as the GX has a history of long product cycles. The 2024 GX runs on the same on-body platform as the Toyota Sequoia and Toyota Tundra and will be offered with a hybrid-assisted and non-hybrid-assisted twin-turbo V6 powertrain instead of the V8. Outgoing model the flagship LX enters the Lexus SUV lineup among luxury off-road vehicles, and the TX SUV, which is similar in size but more focused on interior and road improvement. A hybrid powertrain is planned to join the lineup later on, while a twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter V6 engine will be standard in the GX lineup at launch of the SUV. At 349 horsepower, the bloated V6 produces more power than the V8 of the previous generation GX. A 10-speed automatic is also standard, and all models are all-wheel drive. Overtrail and Overtrail Plus trims are equipped with more off-road features than standard trims, including 18-inch wheels with 33-inch all-terrain tires, an aluminum skid plate, an adaptive suspension system with more wheel articulations, and creep control.